Napansin nyo ba na the more you distance yourself, yung parang lumalayo ka, umiiwas ka sa kanya, na less involved ka, the closer he or she is drawn to you. Po, being emotionally or physically absent makes emotional affection or feeling deeper. Lalong nagiging meaningful ang emotional connection ng isang tao. Kasi pag nawawala ka, mas lalong nade-develop yung love. Ang ganitong situation ay nagiging breathing room or pagkakataon para ma-develop niya at maalala yung mga good qualities na nakita niya sa'yo. Effectively, it activates imagination. Dito kanya maiisip ng maiisip. And then triggers or increase emotional connection. Dito mo mararamdaman yung parang bitin. At the more na nafe-feel mo yan, lalo kang nagiging interested. By him and her, for example, displaying strength and independence sa'yo, the more kang na-challenge sa taong ito. Kaya lalo kang nade-develop, lalo kang napapamahal, lalo kang naa-attract